Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your document and locate the Magic Write lightning bolt icon near the toolbar. Click the icon to reveal the prompt field and template library. Choose a tone such as professional or casual, and select length options like short, medium, or long. Use the format selector for bullets, summaries, or full drafts. Enable document memory to include prior text for context and better continuity. Templates speed up common tasks and reduce prompt writing time. Begin each prompt by assigning a role and stating a clear objective for Magic Write. For example, say Actastitter, improve clarity and concision in 3 paragraphs. Add constraints like a 250-word maximum, active voice, and bullet output. Reference specific text by quoting up to 3 prior paragraphs for context and continuity. Mention required details such as dates, figures, or names to preserve accuracy. Keep prompts concise and use numbered steps if you expect. After generation, review the draft and apply inline edits directly in the editor. Use the Regenerate button to create alternate versions when results need improvement. Accept or reject suggestions to maintain authorial control and preserve original voice. Verify any facts, figures, or dates before finalizing content to avoid errors. Export your final document by copying, downloading as docx, or creating a shareable link for collaborators. Be mindful of sensitive data and avoid pasting private information into prompts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.